Hey guys, quick video today. I had to work yesterday. Grant was in, and so he put a bunch of stuff out, and then I stopped in today. Just now noticing that blade is on there wrong. Maybe I'll flip that before I go. No, I don't have time. I'll do it Tuesday. But notice one of the blades is on wrong. So, kind of funny. I don't remember what was there, but it sold. That's still here, but a lot of people have been asking about it. Still here, and sooner or later that might go to free bin. I didn't even see this come in. It must have came in Thursday. Grant put it out. Still here. I didn't see this come in, so it must have came in yesterday and Grant put it out. Still here. I didn't see this come in. Seems like kind of a high price for that one. I'll leave it. We'll see what happens. This was the last one I put out on Tuesday. Last one Grant put out on Tuesday. Put this out on Tuesday. This was in back. Grant must have put it out yesterday. Okay. Oh, the Black Hunter finally sold. That's still here, still here. Grant put that out. That was in back. Grant put that out. That was in back. Put that out on Tuesday. That's still here. The Sears came in today. SMC U42 footprint vent hugger, modern low profile. That came in, that came in. Those two are still here. This came in, that's still here. That's everything. Oh, I forgot about these two. Okay. Thanks for watching.